In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. Instagram doesn't make it easy to find the deletion option, but don't worry. I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide. If you find this video helpful so far, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and let's get into it. First, you need to access Instagram using a web browser. You cannot do this on the mobile app. So, go to Instagram.com on your phone, tablet, or computer and log into your account. Next, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then click on Settings, then tap on Account Center, then select Personal Details, then tap on Account Ownership and Control, tap on Deactivation or Deletion, then choose the account you want to delete. Now select Delete Account and click Continue. Now, you'll need to re-enter your password to confirm. Do that and click on Delete. Your account is now scheduled for deletion. You will have 30 days to log back in and cancel the deletion before it becomes permanent. Important reminder. Remember, make sure you've backed up any photos or videos that you wanted to keep. Once it's gone, it's gone. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.